Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Christina with Ask a Montessorian. I am coming to you from gorgeous, let's see if we can get it. Let me flip it around. I am coming to you from Arizona, and I just wanted to share with you a Montessori in a minute, really quick. I have 3 tips for how to decompress when you're in a stressful situation with either a parent or a child. So let's say your anxiety's all worked up. Number 1, stop talking. Number 2, take some deep breaths, like deep stomach breathing will really help. And number 3, focus on putting yourself back in the moment. Meditation really helps with this. Get yourself back into that present moment. I hope that helps. I wish you guys all a wonderful holiday season, and thank you so much for watching Ask a Montessorian.